Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Agarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Lecture number 24 of the series of videos for my class 6 students and obviously for quantitative aptitude exams. If you are preparing right from the beginning, this series of videos is going to prove very useful as it will lay a very firm foundation for the future concepts. Here we have the topic of types of fractions and comparing fractions. Watching the video is one thing, but practicing these concepts is another thing. So if you want to practice these concepts, then you can download the 60 questions worksheet, and the description is, it contains the link of the PDF. So go for the worksheet, practice this concept after watching the video, and that will complete your preparation of this topic. Also, I must tell you the best offers going on the ebook of short tricks, the reasoning course, and the CBSE practice worksheets. Lots and lots of worksheets available with us to upskill you. You can send me a message on WhatsApp 9896369963. That's the number. Or you can pay a visit to www.sureshagarwal.in. Obviously, the link of this worksheet is given in the description below. Let's see the questions in hand. Write all proper fractions whose numerator and denominator add up to 10. See, these are a little tricky questions, The keyword here is proper fractions. So you should know what is a proper fraction. The numerator is never greater than the denominator. So if the numerator is less than the denominator, then it is a proper fraction. Now, he wants us to write the fractions such that the numerator and denominator add up to 10. Add up to 10. So if we start from 1 upon 9, 1 and 9 add up to 10 and 1 is less than 9. 2 upon 8. Now, obviously you can argue that 2 upon 8 is not in the lowest form, but it is a fraction. 3 upon 7, 2 plus 8 is 10, 3 plus 7 is also 10. 4 upon 6, and can you write the next one? No. Why? Because 5 upon 5 is not a fraction. It's not a proper fraction. 6 upon 4 is not a proper fraction. 7 upon 3, 8 upon 2, 9 upon 1, all these are not proper fractions. So these are improper fractions, and therefore the answer will be the 4 fractions which I have written there. That was the first question. Look at the second one. Equivalent fractions. Very important concept. See, we need to write 45 upon 75 such that we reduce the numerator to 90. So how do we reduce the numerator to 90? See, here we have 45. If you multiply this by 2, you get 90, and therefore you have to multiply the denominator also by 2. 75 into 2 will give you 150, and this is an equivalent fraction of 45 upon 75 with numerator 90. Likewise, 45 upon 75 can be reduced to the denominator 5. How do we do that? If you want to convert 75 to 5, you need to divide it by 15, correct? And so I'll divide numerator also by 15. 45 divided by 15 gives me 3, and therefore 3 upon 5 is the equivalent fraction of 45 upon 75 having denominator 5. Look at the next one. 14 upon 35 to simplest form. You all know that we have to find the highest common factor of the numerator and denominator. What is the highest common factor? 7, because 7 divides 14 and 7 divides 35. So just divide the numerator by 7 and the denominator by 7. You will get the answer in simplest form, which is 2 upon 5. And now you can see 2 and 5 are co-prime. They don't have a common factor. So friends, these are the basic concepts you need to excel in, and 60 questions practice worksheet will be amazing for all of you to upskill yourself and to solve all the questions related to this concept. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all the school students. Do subscribe the channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications. Thanks for watching this, and all the best.